Hello everybody, it's Compound Interest Stock Guy. What do you guys think of this hat? It's made for me. CISG, Compound Interest Stock Guy, my initials. What it's got in the back. Compound your info, listen to my lingo. Boom. Boom. All it needs is a shaka. That'll be my next hat. It'll have a shaka on it. So I want to disclose, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment information purposes. Do not buy or sell based on anything I talk about. Buy or sell after your own research, due diligence, and you like the investments you're pursuing. So in this video, I'm just going to talk about Tesla, and the S&P 500 came down today. Bitcoin came down today. Silver and gold went a little bit higher, and then it came down. So explain it kind of in synopsis, so stay tuned. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit the thumbs up, appreciate it. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get 25, 50 likes, CISG. So share the video with friends and family. Hit the bell for notifications. So yeah. Bitcoin basically was about 93.30 or so, and it came back down to about 92 something. So basically the dollar got a little stronger, so it had to get upgraded too. So that's what happened. And then same with gold. Gold went to about 18.15 last night, somewhere around that range, 18.12, and then it came back down to about 1800. And then with silver, it went to about 19.4 on XAG USD, and then it came back down to about 19.05. So yeah. And then with Tesla, went to about $1,700, and closed out about $14.75 today. So yeah, got beat down, all to do with dollar strength. The Dixie, baby, DXY, that's what I call the Dixie. And yeah, I mean, I think probably oil's down a bit. Oil's below 40, 39 something, 39.75, somewhere around that range. Oil is the lifeblood of the military industrial complex. So I'm sure they'll try to bring it up pretty soon. SPY, came back to about 315, and it was about 322, I think. 322 something higher. I was watching the SPY. I was playing a bit of the SPY last night. And yeah, US 30, the Dow's down. US 30 was about 26,350, maybe even higher. And it went down to about 26,000. Nasdaq 100 went to about 11,000, and it's probably around 10,600 right now. Somewhere around that range probably. The sell from the IML Academy was about 10,880, so that would have been a good sell for about 2,000 pips. So yeah, pretty good. And what else? I didn't check out all my stocks. I'm just kind of doing a summary because I'm thinking that if Tesla goes to $2,000, even right now, I mean, it could be a very good put option for say like 3 to 6 weeks put option on Tesla at about $600 put. You get that for fairly inexpensive when it's at the highest point. Then it's 50%, 100% higher, or 200% higher. Then hit the sell button. get money, get paid. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of how it goes, you know. Things go up and down. What I don't like is PAS, Pan American Silver, came down today, so not sure what that has to do with anything. Newmont NEM's down a bit today, so you know, gold's pretty high, so I wouldn't expect for it to go down, but I guess investors are thinking cautiously, and they think that gold and silver might go down, so then that their silver stocks and their gold stocks will go down with it. So it's plain cautious, or maybe it's just money getting scared money getting out of the market. So we'll see. Yeah, I mean, the SPY has been going up for quite a long time, so wouldn't surprise me to see the SPY go to about 300. It'd be nice to see some of these good cannabis companies that are creating good EBITDA besides Trulieve. Trulive's at about 21 bucks Canadian. Trulieve's going to 50 bucks. Yeah, 50 bucks. Yeah. Number one company in the Berkshire Hathaway portfolio. The number one Berkshire Hathaway portfolio. The number one cannabis portfolio. I made it myself because I'm original gangster. So yeah, if you want to check that out, that's on my homepage. I put it out for everybody who's an investor, trader, because hey, people need to know who knows what's the best as far as cannabis stocks goes, right? And that's just me. So yeah, I mean, it just shares best EBITDA, best revenues, best cash flow positions. So right there, right in front of your eyes. So it'd be awesome if Trulieve gets, say, like 200 to 500 million in cash from the Safe Banking Act in the next like 2 to 3 months. That'd be awesome. They're probably gonna be reporting in the end of August. I think that's when Cannabis is gonna be reporting. Aurora, maybe too, some other big companies. It's kind of interesting how the cannabis market's been changing, right? You got companies such as like MediPharm Labs. And people used to be thinking that it would go so high. It was the best company in the space. People used to think on Twitter. And now it's like barely $1 in Canadian funds. It's not even $1 probably in US funds the last I checked it. And, you know, their revenues are going down. Now you got companies like Cannabis who are extracting for themselves. And they got a Heritage Cannabis who's also competition. Maybe oils would be a competition, but Valens is a big competition for MediPharm Labs. So, and I guess they got some product that was sent back. So, I mean, I think they're a good company. They got the Wayfarer brand, and you know, they got some other contracts with different LPs. But you know, when they lost, when there was some sour deal with Hexo, stuff like that. Makes it not as an attractive player, but it's still pretty big. I mean, I think they're pretty good, but you know, they're not as big of a powerhouse as they were before. I think Valens is a much bigger powerhouse, and Valens isn't even talking. You know, they get credit from Thermo Scientific Research, TMO, which is, last I checked, like a $200 billion market cap company. So yeah, CISG knows what's good. So I knew this stuff last summer. I knew Valens was a better extraction company. Everybody said, no, I'm stupid. Everybody's like doubted me. Oh, well, they're the number one. They're profitable. You know, they're more profitable. I think they still lose cash on a monthly basis, you know, just because their accounts receivable. So they need to get paid by the LPs and other, you know, like the BC Cannabis store and stuff like that. So, but Trulieve. I was sleeping behind the wheel. I just liked hearing my voice, you know. Sometimes people are like that, like they hear their own voice. They forget what's going on. I had to turn left and green came on, so it's a little bit late. Oh, live and learn. CISG. Anyways, you know, just share some thoughts about markets in different sectors, from Tesla to silver to gold to oil to you know, all types of stuff. Cannabis. Get down. So anyways, CISG, keep compounding your info, listen to my lingo, shucka, peace, I'm out. And I'll give my hat a little boom, 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 boom. So, peace out.